These are my take on Snickers bars. We will start with the base. Almonds and oats go in the food processor and are pulsed to a coarse crumb. You don't want this too fine. Visible texture gives bar structure and makes them easier to cut later. Cacao powder, melted coconut oil, and pinch of salt come next. If you want a completely date-sweetened bar, you can skip liquid sweeteners altogether here. Press the mixture firmly into your pan, really compact it. A loose base will crumble once sliced, so pressure matters. If the base feels right, don't add more oil immediately. Pulse a few extra seconds first. Let's release oils as they blend. Now for the caramel, the heart of this recipe. We are using medjool dates because they're soft, naturally sweet, and blend smoothly. Blend the dates with hot water, starting with less than you think you need. You're aiming for a thick, glossy paste, not a sauce. Vanilla and salt are essential here as well. Salt doesn't make it salty, it makes the caramel taste deeper and more caramelly. Warm dates blend smoother and faster. If your dates are firm, soak them for 5 minutes or so before blending. For the peanut layer, lightly crush roasted peanuts and mix them with natural peanut butter. This creates contrast, creamy caramel underneath and crunchy on top. Spread gently and evenly. You don't want to press too hard here, or the caramel layer underneath will shift. Melt dark chocolate gently, low heat only. A small amount of coconut oil helps the chocolate spread thinner and gives a clean snap when set. Pour, tilt, and level. Let gravity do the work instead of over-smoothing. These bars store well in the fridge, freeze beautifully, and are perfect as a make-ahead dessert or snack. They prove that desserts without refined sugar don't have to taste healthy, as they say. They just need balance and a good technique. If you enjoyed this recipe, save it, share it, and let me know if you'd like a raw or nut-free version next. See you in the next video!